wanted that classic typing effect, like in retro terminus or hacker movies, but found that animating things character by character is 18 years more. A tour! A board tour! Today, we bring you the Text Typer 3000! A super easy way of bringing real-time, bold that, text typing into your creations. Let's bite into it then! Hey! First, set up the basics, selecting a text object and picking the text file you wanted to type. A text file is pretty exciting already, is it not? Hit load, and that's all you gotta do! Start playing around with that character index setting and you're already on the way to seeing your creation fluctuate! But what is that character index? You so crudely scream at me! Picture the index as the number of letters that appear on the screen. If it's set to 0, you see nothing! Set it to 1 and you'll get the first character. Crank it up higher and watch as each character types it onto the screen. Just keyframe the index value and boom! Instant typing effect! Need a bit more flair though? Hey, you've come to the right stand on the street, we've got extra features! Ever noticed how real terminals have that little flash on the last character? You can get that too! Just duplicate your text and set it as the flash object. Give it its own texture, and now when the text types, the flash will follow the last character. Just make sure you're using a monospace font for this to work right. Otherwise, the path to hell is paved with good intentions. Some text fields, like search bars and text editors, have that vertical bar to show you where you're typing to. You can get that by ticking the awaiting input setting, adding a blink at the end of your text. Animate this on and off whenever you want that blinky blink to appear. Lastly, check out the max lines setting. Just like in a real terminal, you can cap how many lines appear. Once you hit the limit, the text scrolls up, keeping the newest line in view and pushing the old ones into oblivion, thrown into the garbage can, which smells of rotten potatoes! If you want to go the extra mile, there are settings for caret flash speed and highlight duration. Adjust these for just the right pace and glow. There it is! Let it be! An animated typing effect that's quick, flexible, and fun to make. Most importantly. It's perfect for giving that old school terminal feel, a hacker screen, or even just a typing text effect on its own. Give it a try and bring some typographic magic into your Blender projects. Magic! Just like in that movie where someone smashed their head into the brick wall! Or maybe it was my memory of when I smashed my head into a brick wall. Whichever the case, it was hilarious!